video. Well, technically this is going on Tiffany's account on YouTube, so yeah. But I'm recording it, so yeah. Today we are going to be switching to multiple animals and having a dance battle in Animal Jam. We have our own names. So yeah. And just to introduce, the magical fairy cheetah is Lauren, and mythical snowy paw is Vivian. Basically, I'm the cheetah and she's the penguin. So yeah. We are going to be just like we are going to have theme songs that are basically already songs in it on YouTube. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay. So first up, I'm gonna call you Vivi. Vivi. Okay, you can press play now, right? Okay, so you guys, that was Vivi, and basically, so yeah. Okay, so okay, so then basically I'm the gorilla, which is the referee, I guess. So okay, so I'm gonna go back up here, and I will be up next in about a few seconds.
I was wondering if after all these years you'd like me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at us.
Okay, you guys, so that was Lauren! Next up is Vivi! Press. Give a round of applause for Vivi! Woo, woo! I'm sick, so yeah. By the way, nothing. Never mind. I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay. So this is the last round of the day, and she is posting on YouTube. You guys have to decide who the winner is. Just type in our usernames and she'll put in the link in the description. So yeah, hold on.
What I really wanna do, but you only date bad guys, so I'll give you my best try to treat you where you want me to. I'll never open the door or pull out a chair. You can tell me how your day was, but I don't really care. And if you ever get cold, you just have to hack it, cause I'd be cold too if I gave you my jacket. Like, whoa, you ain't sitting out front. Front is for the homies, you can sit in the trunk. I'll never answer my phone whenever you call it. And when the waiter brings the bill, I'll never reach for my wallet. Nice guys finish last, that's why I'll treat you like trashes. Now what I really want to do, you only date bad guys, so I'll give you my best try to treat you the way you want me to. And I'ma beat you in every competition. Going out with the girls, you better get my permission. Wait, no, I take that back, you can't go. House is out tonight and that's my favorite show. Do I look down this track? Hell yeah you do. Wait, let me speak your language. Cows go moo. tell her that she's beautiful and show her that she's a